Wise men speak because they have something to say, and fools speak because they have to say something. On 23rd February 2022, the Presbyterian University of East Africa Journalism Club brings home a communication workshop event at the university main hall. We present Emmanuel Terrer, journalist, Wamalwa Bruce, Light FM and MC, Omwami Kevin, comedian, Walubengo, author and speech trainer. For more information, visit our webpage at www.pwea.ac.ke. Building your career for the future. See your future now.